Money. Cash. Green printed paper. I use it. You use it. We all use it. You know, when we have it. Especially when you're at a place that only accepts cash. Like after you've eaten and the restaurant only takes cash. Or when your car gets towed. Or you owe your bookie. I'm gonna get you the money, Skinny Pete. So you need money, and then you have to run and find an ATM that is either owned by your bank, because then no ATM extra fees, or you find a bank teller, or you're screwed, and you end up having to pay the ATM machine to get your own money. Wait, hold up, stop. That last part, having to pay to get your own money? Is that kind of messed up? Now, yes, the banks are allowed to charge us for holding our money. I mean, that's the job of the bank, right? To keep your money safe and cozy within a comfy pillow-like vault. But there already is a charge for that. There are many charges, in fact, that are just for them handling your money. Your minimum balance fees, monthly or annual maintenance fees, redeeming rewards points fee, foreign transaction fee, and sometimes even human teller fees to get your money without using the ATM. Hell, there's probably a fee for fees. Just kidding, I made that up. I thought it would be fun to say fee that much. Fifi. It wasn't as fun as I thought it would be. Anyway, now yes, the bank has the right to charge us money for storing our money, but ATM fees are exorbitant, and those who are unbanked are 4 times as likely to pay fees to access their own money. Why are they jacking up the price of your own money? Well, banks are under a lot of pressure to find income, you know, since all the drama they've had in the past. Woof. Remember all that drama? Of course you do. It affects us to this day. In addition to the fact that apps like Venmo, PayPal, Google Wallet, or Square Cash make the millennials and technically savvy folk able to avoid green cash money. So, ATM fees are getting hiked up for those people who maybe don't have access to the apps, don't want to trust their bank accounts with these money accessing apps, can't afford apps, or even the ability to bank, or your parents, can't get the hang of apps. Okay, that's not fair to all the parents. To all the parents out there watching with their adult children, I'm sorry. I assumed you don't use these apps. I made a rash judgment, and that isn't fair to you. I made an ass out of you and me. Assume. Point being, banks truly make bank on those little ATM charges. America's 3 largest banks, JP Morgan, Chase, Bank of America, and Wells Fargo, earned more than $6 billion from ATM and overdraft fees, according to the report by SNL Financial and CNN Money. That's because the average cost of using an out-of-network ATM has risen from $3.62 in 2011 to $4.57 per transaction in 2016. Sounds like a little, adds up to a lot. Banks will tell you it's because the bank pays for someone to fill the machine and keep the software running smoothly, and it's true, okay? There are a lot of costs associated with ATM machines. But this doesn't have to be the case, because what I'm suggesting is you shouldn't have to be charged when you use it. I mean, you don't have to pay if you're a member of a bank and you use their ATM machines. There are plenty of banks that actually refund ATM fees. Ally, USAA, and Simple don't have a physical location, so anyone who banks with them gets a full refund on any ATM, no matter where. E-Trade, Fidelity, and Charles Schwab additionally offer accounts that reimburse ATM fees, but they'll get you with those minimum balance requirements, so I see you guys. So it feels almost unnecessary to be charged to get your own money from a machine. It's a waste and pointless and cheating us, especially the poor. However, I am not the rule creator. If I was, I would make ATM fees free. Out. Just not have any fees. But in real life, other than staying within your banking network, getting cash back at the grocery store, and using apps, there's not a ton you can do. Unless you wanted to make me the rule creator. Can we do that? Or maybe we could make a hashtag, hashtag fee-free ATM. Maybe. I don't know, guys. I'd be a terrible rule creator. Don't make me rule creator. I'm too indecisive. Am I? No, I'm definitely too indecisive. Oh, I owe my bookie. I can hear him now. Thanks for watching that video. If you want to subscribe, hit the big C in the middle, and if you want to watch more videos, hit one of the boxes on the right. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell icon below so YouTube will notify when we have a new video. Thanks for watching! I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.